Good morning. Today is Friday. Happy Friday. I hope life is a fountain of fantastic experiences already, although it's only 11 o'clock in the morning. But listen, I just wanted to come on and give you some tips from Fountains of Massage. And these are 3 things to do before your massage therapy session. So, the very first one is arrive early. Things happen, traffic, accidents. Your GPS can tell you to go opposite directions from where you're really supposed to go. So, getting there early, that lowers your stress level. You're not thinking about, oh my God, I'm late, and getting your heart raced up and your blood pressure all high. Okay? And number 2, use the restroom right before your session. It's always a good tip. I always tell my students it's a really good tip to go to the restroom just to do a little couple of checks on the hot spots under the arms, between the legs, and your breath. So if there's some breath mints, please take advantage of those breath mints, especially if you have a lot of questions. Questions are good, but it'd be even better if you had a breath mint. That way your therapist will definitely want to answer your questions. And that goes for the therapist. We do checklists as well before we go into a session. We have to make sure that our hot spots are clean and that we get fresh breath and lots of little different things to make sure that your session is the best session. We have to check the table temperature. We have to check to make sure that the table is sturdy. Just a lot of great things. So it's a twofold type of hygiene check. All right. And your bladder. You don't want your bladder to be full while you're on the table, and you definitely don't want to get off the table, running to the restroom in the middle of your session. Your time is precious. You want to unwind while you're on the table. And then finally, number 3, communicate openly. If the therapist is asking you about your medical history, it's because they want to make sure that this session is going to be the best session for you. Um, it helps them to uh, position you properly on the table, gives them a better idea as to what type of pressure you can handle. Uh, and we just really want you to have a really fantastic experience. So, those are the 3 things. Again, let's recap. Arrive early. Please use the restroom. We typically will have some wipes inside the restroom so that you can wipe with moist towelettes to make sure everything is free and clear. We want to have fresh odors. And number 3, ask questions, communicate openly. It's only going to help you, and your experience is going to be elevated because you let the therapist know what's really going on. All right, guys, those are my 3 tips, things to do before your massage session. We'll see you soon.